What up, guys? Justin back here. Got a box break video tonight along with a recap. Went to the hobby shop today, picked up 3 boxes of 2010 Bowman Chrome. I busted 2 at the shop, and this is what came out. So, got a couple Topps 100 refractors. Jordan Brown for the Indians, number 2, $4.99. And Hank Conger for the Angels, numbered $4.99 out of $4.99. I got 5 autos out of the 2 boxes. Juan Urbina auto for the Mets. Tracy Thompson auto for the White Sox. Scooter Gennett auto for the Brewers. He's actually one of my favorite prospects, just because he's like 5'8" and 150 pounds. Reminds me of me. Got a USA auto, Nicky Delmonico sticker auto, and a blue refractor auto of Everett Williams for the Padres, number 2, 150. So my battery's dying on this. I'm going to bust this quick. I've had decent luck at the hobby shop recently, but I decided to break my streak for a friend and bust a box here on camera. Been doing this recently. Not really looking for anything in particular though, just trying to add some Bowman autos. There we go. I always gotta remind myself to bust it on the camera instead of doing it off screen. Lester, Lorenzo, Mitchell, McFarland. I probably didn't do it again. Morneau, Sizemore, Hollingsworth, Perez. Soriano, Desmond, Taylor Green, Grant Hogg. The last box I did actually pulled 3 autos, so there might be a chance that that case might be missing a hit. Now, there was only 3 boxes at the hobby shop, so you never know. But, what can you do? Drew Bailey refractor, Sinclair, Josh Donaldson. Some of the prospects I'm looking for, fielder refractor, would be Miguel Sanyo, Aroldis Chapman, Jason Kipnis, Will Middlebrooks, Chase Utley, John Lackey, Ozzie Martinez, Max Awala. Still in debate with my dealer and a friend about if the Will Myers is actually in this product. Ichiro, Albert Almora, USA, Graham Stoneburner, Rodriguez. He is on the checklist for the autos, but rumor has it that it was pulled last minute from the set, the Myers autos. So I don't know what was up with that. Sabathia, Escobar, Middlebrooks, Blake Lively. Who else is in here? I think Castro's in here, Starlin Castro, and some of the rookie autos as well. I haven't pulled any color besides the auto, though. Here's my Topps 100. Ryan Kalish, 100 for the Red Sox. Shelby Miller, Corbin Joseph. I don't know. Shelby Miller, I think's auto is in here. Don't quote me on that. Kyle Blanks, Matt Kemp, Jerry Sands, Jose Yepez. I probably have enough now to make a full set of this product. Andy Oliver rookie, James Shields refractor, Craig Clark, Dan Total. Ryan Dumit, Tony Walters, Brad Correll, Ryan Wiglid, Jorge Posada, Alex Gordon, Will Myers refractor. That'll draw some interest. Number 2, 500. I wonder how much that'll go for. Probably shouldn't think of it in terms of value. That's the best card that's come out so far, though. Okay, 4 more. Kubel, Nicky Delmonico, Mike Zunak, Liam Hendricks. Getting down to it. Come on. Need to see something. Keela Kahui, Carlos Quinton, Jerry Sanchez, Roldis Chapman. 2 packs left. 3 packs left, sorry. Well, there's 17 packs in this box, so they're not placed evenly in the 4 squares. Coughlin, Tillman Refractor, Dan Tootle Auto for the Reds. I have no idea who he is. Just kidding. Man, that auto sucks, though. That's right. Okay. This is going to be a tough pack, bust to break, or to post. Montero, McCutcheon, Robin Coronis, Vince Bologna. Last pack. Burnett, McCullers, Stenson, and Cowan. So, this is probably the worst of the 3 boxes, but still. Will Myers Refractor, number to 500. Dan Tuttle Auto for the Reds. Thanks for watching, guys.